Kind regards. My name is Elizabeth Marroquin Meneses. I am a librarian at Creative Again, and today I am here to talk about my work, which is very important. My job is to provide a guide to students on how to search our university database young book, make agreements with other parents such as college, university, and SENA to achieve a better bridge of knowledge for students. I facilitate the use of computers for those students who for some reasons or circumstances cannot do their work at home. I also support on her with the enrollment and academic control of the science center where I am when we are in enrollment season so that the application submitted by a student in the full digital lunar application can be answered more quickly. I love my job, although it requires a lot of responsibility and dedication. Thank you.